No way, a deer's just walked into the scene. A deer has just walked into a scene. Good morning, welcome back to the channel guys. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to Miyajima Island, just off of the coast of Hiroshima. Miyajima is incredibly picturesque, but it's notoriously famous for a big red Torii Gate that sits out in the ocean. You've probably seen it on postcards of Japan's, or if you've looked online at things to do in Japan, that would have come up. It's actually one of Japan's 3 views. If you don't know what Japan's 3 views are, have a little look online and you'll see that the Torii Gate here is one of Japan's 3 views. It's also home to an abundance of wild deer, and I've had a little interaction with a couple of them this morning, and I can tell you they're a little bit more friendlier than the ones at Narrow Park. I don't think they've been fed as much as those ones out there. Stupidly, I haven't really left myself a lot of time here in classic Scott style, trying to fit too much in as usual. So I've only got a morning here, so without further ado, let's get to it. So straight off the boat, this scene has caught my eye. That retro Fuji colour logo just popping with this windy street. The lights like fluttering in and out, but I'm sure it will come again because that is sick. So I don't know what keeps bringing me back to Japan time and time again, but scenes like that have something to do with it. I don't know what it is about that, but it just ticks all the boxes for me. Really too sure why this frame's doing it for me. I guess it's the symmetry of the cars, those beautiful peaked roofs, and then those luscious green hills behind. I don't know what it is, but it really fascinates me of this like these human man-made things within nature. I don't know what it is. I'm absolutely melting, but I'm loving these Backstreets. They are vibey as. I think 99% of the people come here for the shrine that's in the water, and the 1% of people come here for these scenes because they are something else. Huge vibes. So today I've mainly been shooting on the 24-70. I've got the little 40mm pancake with me as well. But the 24-70 seems to be covering everything that I need. Lazy photography. So I've just walked down this road and come across this really beautiful street. real, like a one-way street, real tight sort of alleyway, and you can only get about one car down it. There's buildings either side, little shops and that. The road curves round to the right, and just up in the hill above the buildings there's, I guess it's a temple or a pavilion. I'm definitely going to wait this one out, try and get a subject in the frame, a motorbike, some people, we'll see. I've seen a few motorbikes going this way, but even coming towards me. I think I'm prepared to break my 5-minute rule and sit this one out, because it is a really nice frame. No way, a deer's just walked into the scene. A deer has just walked into a scene. Ah, it's gonna get run over. God damn, that would have been incredible. So I waited that out way longer than expected. Put the camera down, moped drove straight past me, clean street and everything. I did capture one moped coming towards me, and for some reason took my hand off the shutter when I wanted him in the part of the scene where I was hoping to shoot a moped. I don't know what's going on. You live and learn, eh? So there's the main attraction. So I think it's rude not to. Cheers. So I believe this bridge here is a very famous photo spot when autumn comes around, because all the greenery turns reds and oranges and golden. Autumn is unfortunately the only time I've never been to Japan. I ticked winter off last year and that was an absolute bucket list. Well, the start of this year. Autumn was on the plan for this autumn, then this summer trip came around. So I think it's going to be a little bit too tight to come back this year for my bank balance. 2025. Like I'm going to end every single video from this Japan summer series the exact same way, saying how hot and sweaty I am, but don't let that put you off coming to Japan in summer. Honestly, it is amazing. Time to head back to the mainland now. The midday sun is well and truly out and I'm starting to crisp up. My t-shirt has gone white, so I need a change. But I've had a really amazing morning exploring this truly magical part of the country, and I hope you've enjoyed coming along on this little journey with me. Lots more from Japan coming on the channel, so if you're enjoying the videos, hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, because it really does help support the channel. So, without further ado, stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.